Hello everyone, this is Kalyani. Welcome back to my Kalyani's corner. Today I am showing you how to make homemade clay. So first I take 1 cup of cornflour. And 1 cup of fevicol. And 2 tablespoons vinegar. And 2 tablespoons cooking oil, or you can add any oil. White color, this is optional. If you are going to paint your art, then you can avoid it. Without white color, the clay will turn transparent. Mix everything properly to avoid lumps. Stir continuously. When it will reach this consistency, now it's time to cooking. Keep it on low flame and keep mixing continuously. You need mix continuously to avoid lumps. When the clay starts leaving the sides of the pan, it means it is almost ready. When it will reach this consistency, turn off the flame. Now it's ready for kneading. Apply some Vaseline or body lotion or cold cream or oil to the platform for kneading. You have to knead when it is hot. Put some oil on your hand and start kneading. The more we knead, the more smooth and flexible the clay will be. If dough is too loose, add some cornflour. You can add glue if it is too dry. When you fold this, it does not break. If you pull the clay, it should form a teardrop. That means it is perfect consistency to make any crafts. See, if it forms teardrop shape, that means the clay is perfect consistency. Now it's ready. Put some lotion for further use. Keep it in airtight bag, or you can use plastic bag also. Always keep your clay away from open air as it dries so quickly. Store it in airtight container. So we can store this clay for 3 to 4 months at room temperature. Take it out small quantity as required and remaining close on every use. Coloring the clay, you can use any types of colors to color this clay. Many types of colors can be used to color this clay. Now store it in a tight box, and it does not need freezing. You can store it at room temperature, and this clay takes 24 hours to dry. If you are watching first time on my video, consider the subscribe bell icon to get more videos like this. If you like this tutorial, please comment below and let me know your inputs. And don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to check my previous videos also.